Ako po si Felix Marada, DTF operator ng Honda 30cm dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw namin itong nagagamit. May 62 meters kami inairan dito this week. Ito po ang heads. Cupping, good and working. Ito po ang temperature check. Normal naman po. Head clean. Good and working. Punasan ang cupping. Punasan ang wiper after. Nozzle check. Buo naman ang nozzle check. Ang ink system tama lang. Missing tank na linis Friday. Ground wire. ABR good and working. Ito po ang use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Daily workload updated. Consumable withdrawal updated. Weekly physical inventory updated. Monthly maintenance checklist updated. Salamat po.